स्टूडेंट्स, आज हम एडमिशन ऑफ पार्टनर का चैप्टर स्टार्ट करने जा रहे हैं। अकाउंटेंसी एडमिशन, फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल वी मस्ट नो द मीनिंग ऑफ एडमिशन ऑफ पार्टनर। एडमिशन ऑफ पार्टनर इज वन ऑफ द मोड of reconstitution of partnership in which old partnership comes to an end and new one exists between old and new partners. According to Partnership Act 1932, consent of all partners is required for admission of new partner. Again, you must know this. According to Partnership Act 1932, consent of all the existing partner is required for the admission of a new partner. Now, effect of admission of partner on the new firm. Number one, admission of partner will result in the reconstitution of the firm. Old partnership firm comes to an end and new one exists between old and new partners. Number two, admission of partner will decrease the share of old partner and increase the share of new partner. Now we have changes takes place at the time of admission of partner. Number one, profit sharing ratio is changed. Number two, treatment of goodwill. Number three, revaluation of assets and liability. Number four, treatment of reserves, accumulated profits and losses. Number five, preparation of partners' capital count. Number six, adjustment of partner capital and preparation of balance sheet. This is deleted from the syllabus for 2021. Now first, profit sharing ratio. You already know old profit sharing ratio is changed into new profit sharing ratio and sacrificing ratio. How is new profit sharing ratio calculated at the time of admission of partner? तो प्रॉफिट शेयरिंग रेशियो जो है ओल्ड प्रॉफिट शेयरिंग रेशियो चेंज टू न्यू प्रॉफिट शेयरिंग रेशियो एंड sacrificing ratio. How is new profit sharing ratio calculated at the time of admission of a partner? Case 1. When new partner share of profit is given and question is silent regarding sacrifice oblique surrender made by old partners. So in this case we can explain this by means of example. A and B are partner sharing profits in the ratio 3:2. They admit C as a new partner with 1/5 share in future profit. Calculate new ratio. Here old ratio of old partner is given and share of new partner is given. So in this case we have to use remaining profit method. Under remaining profit method, let total profit is equal to 1 and C share of profit is equal to 1/5. So remaining profit will be 1 minus 1/5. This is equal to 4/5. Now if this is not, nothing is given, how C has acquired the share from A and B. In that case, new ratio between A and B will be the same as old ratio. So new ratio between A and B is equal to 3:2. Now we have to divide the remaining profit among partner A and B in the new firm in their old ratio, that is 3:2. So A's new share 3/5 multiplied by remaining profit, that is 4/5. This is equal to 12/25. B's new share, that is equal to 2/5 multiplied by 4/5. This is equal to 8/25. C share is equal to 1/5. This can be written as 5/25. Now new profit sharing ratio is 12:8:5 as denominator of A's new share, B's new share and C's new share is same. The ratio of the numerators of A, B and C share is new profit sharing ratio, that is 12:8:5. Now case 2, when new ratio between old partners is given along with the share of new partner. New ratio is given and share of new partner is also given. In that case, we can explain by means of example. Example A, we are partners sharing profit in the ratio 3 ratio 2. They admit C as a new partner with 1/5 share, and it is decided that the new ratio between A and B is 2 ratio 3. Calculate new ratio. Here share of new partner is given and new ratio between partner A and B is also given. So in this case also we have to use remaining profit method. So let total profit is equal to 1, C share equal to 1 over 5. So remaining profit will be 1 minus 1 over 5, that is equal to 4 over 5. New ratio between A and B here given, that is equal to 2 ratio 3. So A's new share will be 2 over 5 multiplied by 4 over 5, this is equal to 8 over 25. B's new share is equal to 3 over 5 multiplied by 4 over 5, this is equal to 12 over 25. C share is equal to 1 over 5, that is equal to 5 over 25. Now in this case A's new share, B's new share, C's new share, we have denominator is same. The ratio of numerator of A share, B share and C share will be the new ratio. New profit sharing ratio is equal to 8 is to 12 is to 5. Now case 3, when word from oblique of is given or sacrifice oblique surrender amount of share of old partner is given. When word from oblique of is given or sacrifice oblique surrender amount of share of old partner is given. This can also be explained by means of example. A and B are partner in the ratio 3 ratio 2. They admit C as a partner. A surrender 1 over 3 of his share. B surrender 1 over 2 of his share in favor of C. Calculate new ratio. So surrender means sacrifice. A surrender 1/3 of his share means A sacrifice 1/3 of his share. B surrender 1 over 2 of his share means B sacrifice 1 over 2 of his share in favor of C. We have to calculate new profit sharing ratio. In this case, A's old share from old profit sharing ratio, this is equal to 3 over 5. A's sacrifice, this is equal to 1/3 of A share. 1 over 3 of 3 over 5, this is equal to 1 over 3 multiplied by 3 over 5, this is equal to 1 over 5. A's new share is equal to A's old share minus A's sacrifice, this is equal to A's old share 3 over 5, A's sacrifice here is 1 over 5, 3 over 5 minus 1 over 5, this is equal to 2 over 5. A's new share is equal to 2 over 5. Now B's old share from old profit sharing ratio is equal to 2 over 5. B sacrifice 1 over 2 of 2 over 5. Mean 1 over 2 multiplied by 2 over 5. This is equal to 1 over 5. Now B's new share is equal to B's old share minus B's sacrifice. This is equal to B's old share is 2 over 5. B's sacrifice is 1 over 5. So this is equal to 1 over 5. 2 over 5 minus 1 over 5 is equal to 1 over 5. So B's new share is 1 over 5. C share is equal to A sacrifice plus B sacrifice. C का शेयर जो है, जो A ने sacrifice किया है प्लस जो B ने किया है, उसका टोटल जो है that is C share. C share will be 1 over 5 plus 1 over 5, this is equal to 2 over 5. Now in this case, new ratio of partner A, B, C will be 2 ratio 1 ratio 2. A's new share 2 over 5, B's new share 1 over 5, C's new share 2 over 5. Denominator are same. The ratio of numerator is the new profit sharing ratio. So new ratio between partner A, B, C will be 2 is to 1 is to 2. Now case 4. when new partner acquire his share from old partner in certain ratio. Example, A, B are partner in the ratio 3 ratio 2. They admit C as a new partner for 3 over 10 share from A, B in the ratio 2 is to 1. Calculate new ratio. Now, how to solve this type of problem? So we have to start from new partner share. C share equal to 3 over 10. Here, C acquired a share in the ratio 2 ratio 1. It means sacrificing ratio is 2 is to 1. So C share equal to 3 over 10. Sacrificing ratio is 2 is to 1. The ratio in which old partners sacrifice their share in favor of new partner, that is sacrificing ratio, or the ratio in which new partner acquire his share from old partner, that is sacrificing ratio. Here C acquire this share 3 over 10 from A and B in the ratio 2 ratio 1. It means sacrificing ratio is 2 is to 1. A sacrifice is equal to 2 over 3 multiplied by 3 over 10. This is equal to 2 over 10. B sacrifice 1 over 3 multiplied by 3 over 10. This is equal to 1 over 10. Now we can calculate A's new share. A's new share is equal to A's old share minus A's sacrifice. A's old share, that is from old profit sharing ratio, that is equal to 3 over 5. A's sacrifice, this is we have already calculated 2 over 10. So A's new share equal to 3 over 5 minus 2 over 10. This is equal to 4 over 10. Now B's new share, B's old share minus B's sacrifice. Here B's old share from old profit sharing ratio we can 2 over 5, and my B's sacrifice amount is 1 over 10. So 2 over 5 minus 1 over 10, this is equal to 3 over 10. Now C share, that is equal to 3 over 10. New ratio between A, B and C will be 4 ratio 3 ratio 3. Now case 5, when old ratio and new ratio is given, how is to calculate sacrificing ratio? This is very easy. We can explain by means of example. Example, X, Y are partner in the ratio 5 ratio 3. They admit Z as a new partner. The new ratio of X, Y and Z agree to be 4 ratio 2 ratio 1. Calculate sacrificing ratio. So first of all, we must know the formula for sacrificing ratio. Sacrificing ratio is equal to old ratio minus new ratio. Now, first of all, we have to calculate X sacrifice. X sacrifice is equal to X old share minus X new share. X old share from old profit sharing ratio, that is equal to 5 over 8. X new share from new profit sharing ratio, that is equal to 4 over 7. So X sacrifice is equal to 5 over 8 minus 4 over 7. This is equal to 3 over 56. Now Y sacrifice is equal to Y's old share minus Y's new share. Y's old share from